Another YouTuber and I are in a little, I guess, misunderstanding between the word secure. I looked up the word secure. I used it correctly. The word means to fasten such that the contents are not loose or subject to move, is to immobilize, to secure, or to fasten something to another thing. And I use the word correctly. So we have a mobile cart with a welding chain per the OSHA requirement, and it's taut. So I'm not fictitiously rigging a situation here like an infomercial. But you can see there is quite a lot of movement here. I mean, they are technically secure. There is some cart movement here, but I wouldn't consider this secure, this much movement. Now these bottles, on the other hand, they don't move when the cart moves. So when something like this tends to move, they tend to jostle. They could come loose. And I didn't claim that springs are stronger than chain. I wouldn't make that claim. Chain will always be stronger than spring. It's not what we're getting at here. The fact is, the claim I made was that springs are securing these bottles more than these bottles. Is that true? Yes, that's true. These bottles are more secure than these ones. These ones aren't going anywhere. They're not going this way, they're not going this way, and they're not going that way. So they're held firmly by their springs. Now, if it's an OSHA requirement, that's fine. I don't care. This isn't an OSHA workplace. So, sorry OSHA, not compliant. Don't care. But, you know, stronger, yes. More secure, yes. These are loose. These are not loose. Not loose. So, your bottle can rattle around on your cart however you want. My bottles are not going to rattle on my cart. They are secure.